This video shows you how to save a search query, get notification when a query results change, and rerun a saved query. So we're going to start with a query that's already been built and the active filters have been applied, and I like the results. So I want to save this particular query. I'm going to click on the Save Query option, which is next to this push pin. And I get a message that the query was saved to my favorites, and I also have an option to turn on notification for this query. I'm going to click on that. So what this is going to do is give me the option to have an email sent to me each time the contents of this query change. So as SJSU adds additional resources, articles, whatever, then I can get notified that they're new material, and I can come back and either look at the individual materials, or I can rerun the entire search query and see all of the new additions. So to complete this step, you would just click on the Save option here. And so now I will get notified. To see the saved query, you're going to click on this push pin up here that says Go to My Favorites. And under Favorites, you have three options to look at saved records, which would be individual articles or books, etc., that you've saved during your searching. You can look at Save Searches, which is where all of your saved searches will be listed. And then there's also the option to look at Search History. So in this case, quickly, we can see that I have 4 search queries that I have saved. And I have the ability to set an RSS for this search, so I could set that up on a browser. I can set an alert for the search, so that's for when items change, and I can basically delete this search or unpin this search. So this is the latest search that I just completed, and you can see that the little alarm is set. When the alarm is not set or notifications are not set, the little bell is empty. To rerun a saved search, you just click on the search title, and in this case let's click on Music Therapy and Alzheimer's, and this will rerun the query, and it will rerun it as of today. So if any new materials have been added, those will be included in my list. For more information about OneSearch, refer to the quick reference guide.